Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here basically we are discussing one of the topic that is city creation. City creation basically we are discussing one of the topic that is India account creation. So one of the person told that if basically I will take one example. If one of the Bollywood person basically launch one video basically, he basically gets lots of subscription basically. But the person basically who is doing the hard work and doing lots of generating lots of project, there is no not a single subscription basically I am getting. So that is basically different thing basically. So here the topic is what? India account creation. In India account creation basically we are discussing SBI account, Amazon account, and last is after 2 days basically the earthquake is going to come. After 2 days basically the earthquake is going to come. So in this basically we will first discuss that topic only, that is because world will exist then only the Amazon, police, jail, cyber group, cyber inspector who basically keeps on watching what the particular person is doing, then they will give the punishment, this that each and every will exist na, basically for that basically world must exist. One person told that Sunil, we have finished your future for that basically world must exist na, basically few people told that basically we have given so punishment to him na, basically his future basically is dark, but for that world must exist. So that topic actually we are discussing, that is after 2 days the big earthquake is going to come basically. So one of the person told that in this basically we discussed up to what level basically we basically taken that basically how the current Indian politics basically is ongoing, who is handling Narendra Damodar Modi, who is handling Bhupender Patel, but is by default he is the Gujarat president, sorry, Gujarat chief minister. He is handled by default Narendra Damodar Modi, but each and every presidents, each and every chief ministers are handled by those group also who are who is basically handling Prime Minister of India. Why? Because these all people basically can become Prime Minister in future. Because to become Prime Minister, you should must have experience of Chief Minister. State-wise experience basically is must. Because once upon a time, Narendra Damodar Modi also was Chief Minister. So when Congress was ruling that time basically, that time Narendra Damodar Modi was Chief Minister, and that time basically that person basically has ruled Chief Minister also. That time only basically he has ruled, and he connected to Chief Prime Minister. That time Prime Minister. So here one person told that each party basically are created by said groups. They only handles basically the groups. So you had not got the job in Bangalore city. That time BJP was there. Currently you are not getting the job. That time also basically BJP are there. But when basically you was ruling, when you basically you are in Bangalore city, that time basically the Congress was ruling. So Congress is also basically creating problem to you. So one of the person from satellite basically told that politics basically are creating problem to you. That is the Parliament House basically is creating problem to Sunil Armayer. That basically by default it came into the picture. By default that came into the picture basically now. So one of the person told that why basically is like that, because the handling group basically who created the BJP still basically they are controlling the BJP only, and they are basically not in India, they are outside India. So now basically one of the person told that where might be Subhash Chandra Bose? Because he was also into Second World War. He played the major role basically in Second World War actually. And he know that basically why the war basically started and why basically The situation, small situation, connects to war basically. That is basically the Kolkata people. That is the Bengalis. But the war basically has already started now basically. Now you can't do anything basically. So here basically I am not talking about war basically. Here I am just talking about one story basically. In this story basically I have taken my example. You can add your example also. But here the thing is what basically. Here basically the person who is handling the earthquakes department, this is one department basically who is handling the earthquake departments. He basically can't afford a single level earthquake basically. One single basically, that means my energy basically can give the earthquake to entire India. That is not possible here basically. That is not possible basically. One person energy basically, if it's giving the earthquake to entire India, that means his age basically is more than 500 600 year old basically. But that person basically, why he will give the earthquake to whole world basically? Why he will give basically? Because he is not getting any types of problem. Then why he will give? Why he is going to give the earthquake basically? That is also, and he basically can give the earthquake because earthquake department is connected with nuclear power company and satellites are controlling nuclear power company. So without nuclear power company, sorry, without satellite groups, not a single earthquake basically will happen in the world basically. Not a single earthquake will happen in the world. So whenever basically the small earthquake basically also happens, na basically just one day before basically in Gujarat basically earthquake happened. In that basically satellite control was there basically. And when earthquake comes, that means a problem is there basically in Gujarat. Same way basically I faced problem in Gujarat. I am also facing problem in Gujarat. I also face problem in Bangalore, where basically the water crises are there. I also faced problem in Bangalore basically. It's not like that basically I have not faced any type of problem basically in Bangalore. I visited big companies basically like Oracle, Accenture, Polaris. Small companies are also basically I visited. In big company, Dell company also was there. I also visited there basically in Dell company. They've taken the interview, but they have not selected me. But interview was fine basically. That time basically I was working as a developer. Now basically I am working as a project manager. But current designation is project manager, but not getting the job. And same thing basically here also. BJP is ruling. Nobody will dare basically to do this type of complaint in front of the public basically. Why? Because it's a BJP, they are ruling the central, but they have to accept the fact basically that nobody is happy in their Raj. If one person basically is trying to get the job, if he is not getting the job, that means what these people basically might be doing in central basically. That is the question, no, basically. That is the big question basically. So how they might be handling the others public basically? That is also question. So one person basically given the idea basically, instead of fighting basically, best is basically to leave the country basically. But leave the country is also basically it's very costly basically. If you want to leave country to Singapore basically, what is the cost basically? Minimum basically nowadays 1.5 lakh basically. Minimum 1.5 basically lakh is the cost basically. If you move to small South Africa country, there also minimum cost basically is 1 lakh. So you can just imagine basically what is the situation. So one of the person told me, क्या करे क्या है basically, what should we do basically? We can't complain any political people also basically. Where to do complain basically? Because they are basically handled by these people who actually died, and we can't reach to these people basically. We can't complain Lal Bahadur Shastri. That Lal Bahadur Shastri, BJP, who the group basically who created BJP. I am not telling that Lal Bahadur Shastri has created BJP. I am telling that basically we can't complain the Lal Bahadur Shastri because he is only handling the BJP. Just taking as an example, assume that somebody basically is required. So I am taking some name basically. But these all people exist basically. Because to handle Indian politics basically, old people must is there basically. Because India current political people basically can't handle the politics without the support. That mark my word basically. That means these people, old people who are basically in where basically the politics who actually died, they still exist basically. Indian army basically is handled by Subhash Chandra Bose basically. Because Indian army basically can't handle the basically. They can't handle the Indian army basically. It's not possible. International level basically to handle the Indian nationality, that is not possible basically. If this all group basically will leave that country basically, that day only the Indian nationality will get end. For example, in USA, assume that basically some group basically are there, old people basically. If they will leave na basically, immediately basically the, if they will leave means whatever basically sense basically they will leave, their presence basically will get end in America. Entire America will get in trouble basically. Sorry, Indian nationality will get in trouble. So you can just imagine basically. Few people tells that basically the people who dies na basically, they are only basically playing the big roles basically, that prime minister, chief minister, presidents. So few people tell that basically who basically died, they are only ruling the country basically. They basically got the another birth. Like this basically the people who basically alive, who are basically jinda, there basically there is no value. The people who died and got the second birth, there basically there is many value basically. That is also question basically. Why basically it's in India like this? Why the partiality basically who still exists basically? There is no value basically of the people basically. And I basically can't get a single job also basically. So why the creation is like this? One of the person basically asked the question. Literally he asked the question. Why the creation is like this? And why it's in India only like this basically? Because if in America basically when normal public basically is not getting job, the government comes to help them basically. But in India, it's totally opposite basically. Government only basically are not. Government is only basically blocking their job basically. Then few people told that basically this is connecting to Indian businessmen basically, because everywhere money is required na, basically. But you can't blame the Indian businessmen. Why? Because like Tata basically they donates their money basically, that is the 35 percentage 40 percentage money basically they donates. So you can't blame businessmen also. That is also question basically. So each sector basically have cleared themselves basically. If anybody is trying to blame that sector, I was basically I can't blame businessmen also. Why? Because see basically the example somebody has created. So the people who created the sectors basically they have kept clearance certificate basically first basically. So creation of everything basically they have they basically has created up to that level basically whatever things basically happen clearance certificate basically we have to take. So here the topic is what? After 2 days the earthquake is going to come. That actually topic basically we are discussing. So one of the previous topic basically, previous topic basically, we discussed that basically one earthquake came to Gujarat. So one of the person told that can anybody basically able to track that basically? Currently basically earthquake basically has happened in Turkey, Taiwan, Philippines, Tonga, then the New Zealand, Central Turkey, Germany, some Indonesia city, China also basically got earthquake. New Jersey got the earthquake. Philippines, Chile, France, India also basically got the earthquake that is in Assam basically. How when basically? That was 13 hours, 3 hours, 3 hours before basically. That is I think local time that means 7 o'clock around 7 o'clock they got the earthquake. So from the person to the is it possible basically to know where is the Gujarat chain basically earthquake chain because that's very dangerous basically if you basically can't able to track that means you basically are what to say there is no word only basically. So one of the person told that if this type of thing basically happens in earthquake department then assume that basically world basically got some big earthquakes and this basically will happen basically in one day basically that mark my words basically. So it might possible it happens after 2 days then basically what you are going to do whatever things basically I am telling just now assume that basically one country basically got some big earthquake then another country basically chained to that big earthquake. So this was basically chain. Same way the Gujarat basically got earthquake. After that Gujarat basically where basically that chain has passed. So same way big earthquake came to one country, then basically that same chain basically connected to another country, then third country, like this fourth, fifth, seventh, tenth basically whole world basically that is a 220 country basically got big earthquake and world basically ended. That's all basically. And this happened within 1 or 2 seconds basically. 1 or 2 seconds means it's a huge time basically. But 1 or 2 seconds basically will world will the chain will not end so basically quickly basically. So it will take at least 1 minute basically. 1 or 2 minutes basically. Because there are 220 countries. But lots of people say that it might end basically within 1 minute period basically. If you will ask lots of geology people basically or basically you are connected with the land basically they can give the exact number basically and they basically might have calculated also basically if world will end basically then what would be that time period basically what would be that timing what would be that timing. So assume that basically that situation basically came after 2 days and if basically France group might have studied this and one France group basically can't do anything basically but the entire France group is basically connected with this earthquake system only so that one software basically of France basically is handling everything basically handling one country basically you can just imagine France country is handled by few earthquakes websites, controlled by people. They are earning the money from that earthquakes only. So one of the person told that if France basically was no is not ready after 2 days, so world will end just within 1 minute basically, 1 or 2 minutes basically. That time basically there is no value basically of nothing basically, because world have to create again basically. Again currency department will come, because world will not exist, then even basically the human will have to, human basically is going to create again basically. There would not be America, there would not be India, there would not be Europe, nothing will be there basically. And mostly this type of situation basically will come basically. So assume that basically on the base of that chain basically whole world earthquake basically came into the picture. Then one of the person told that chaining system to have basically, that chaining system of earthquake basically is there, but that somebody is breaking basically. Otherwise basically uh, daily basically one big earthquake basically comes, but that suddenly basically gets break. How basically that is? That is also a question basically. Within 1 week basically daily some big earthquake basically comes, but that doesn't go to more big earthquake. Why? Because nothing basically happens magically basically, somebody is doing it basically. That means somebody from satellite, because if this answer basically of chaining system earth planet basically doesn't have, that means somebody is doing this from satellite, somebody is collecting that big earthquake data, and according to that big earthquake data they are breaking the chain. That means breaking the chain concept basically is there in satellite, but that is not in earth planet. The reason nothing happens automatically, nothing happens automatically. So you can just imagine basically nothing happens automatically. So assume that basically after 2 days world ended. What you will do basically? Because government basically, for example, France government is handled by some German country. So Germany basically will end, France will end. Who is will be answerable basically? There basically there is no meaning of fighting only basically. That time basically it will be too late basically. It will be too late basically. It will be too late. So one of the France group told that basically like this also basically things are there. So one of the person told that this chaining system of earthquake basically that is existing somewhere basically in satellite. They are breaking some. That means some group basically are watching Earth planet. What BJP is doing, what Congress is doing, what Nehru is doing, what Mahatma Gandhi is doing, what Subhash Chandra Bose is doing. That means somebody is watching. That's why on the base of that, na, basically, the lava company created the land basically in Mumbai. So you can just imagine basically. So world basically has already created. Now basically you can't do anything with it. Now any changes basically in the world creation, that is going to affect the whole world basically. So this everything basically which I told basically that was supposed to do long before. But mostly basically that might have done only basically. Why? Because world is running smoothly basically. That means this everything which I told basically that is done long before basically. Otherwise world might have ended long before, yeah basically. Long before world might have ended. If this way basically the world has not created. Politics, current people basically can't handle the politics. They are basically handled by those old people basically. Still that group basically exists. Still Murarji Desai exists. Still Subhash Chandra Bose exists. Still exists. That is 100% sure. Here basically I can give 100%. And they only created this caste like Patel caste, Amin caste, Nair caste, Iyer caste. Like this many castes basically are there. That group only has created. And that group are basically controlling, not controlling basically, they are basically controlled by these all people basically. So another person told that first the energy exists, energy gets generates in the environment, and according to that only basically the earthquake data are collected. That also you can say, because earthquake basically doesn't come directly basically. For example, one person basically slapped someone and he was basically big personality. That second basically nothing is going to happen. That time basically somebody watched and he basically started firing here. He basically done some bomb blast. That basically can happen. Because why? Because that is on hand of one person basically. That is not a system basically. He basically has just seen that and he basically got emotional and he basically done bomb blast. This basically thing basically he has done. But earthquake basically will happen after certain days basically. Why? Because earthquake basically doesn't happen immediately basically. Emergency basically is not there in earthquake. Emergency system basically. Few people told that basically few data basically are handled by satellite groups only. There basically immediately the earthquake happens. So this type of data basically are never tracked. So this is also basically one of the data science project. Emergency earthquakes data. So 100% of how many groups are basically there in this world who are controlled by satellite groups, who are basically controlled by satellite groups. So there is no answer because we don't have the data available. Because we don't know that basically Nehru exists. Even basically if you will ask anyone basically in politics people only you ask basically. You ask basically some person basically in politics basically assume that basically whatever basically I'm not taking the exact name basically. Ask them basically where is basically Subhash Chandra Bose. They have read in book that basically in this time basically Subhash Chandra Bose has died. So the person basically who is into the company basically experienced group basically only can handle the company. So project manager only basically can handle the projects because he have a good experience basically. He have a good experience. That's why on the basis of that experience only the projects can be handled. In basically software industry language basically it's called like that. Same way in politics also it's like that. Reason might be something else basically. Reason might be one of the data is lava creation data. That is basically coming from the land basically. That is from inside land basically. So there are many companies who are into the lava creation. So there are many companies. Lots of people says that lava basically from where basically they might be pushing because it's a pure liquid basically. So the place is sea water basically. And there might be some other data also We can't basically 100% say because we have not created. The creator basically only can say that, who actually designed the earth planet. He know that basically from which area lava basically can be dumped. If Mumbai basically has created thousand floors, that means Mumbai was maintained long before basically. Maintained means the lava was dumped long before, and water was also created long before under the land for the thousand floor buildings people. Because municipality water basically can't reach to 1,000 floor basically. It's not possible. And 1,000 floor building basically municipal people basically municipality basically water basically that is coming from the natural way basically, they can't provide up to this level water basically to 1,000 floor. For that basically the down under land basically water basically is required. Boring water basically it's given the name basically. So you can just imagine basically world is already created on this way. So one of the person told that what is the sequence of the earthquake now basically. Indonesia basically got some earthquake, Turkey basically got some earthquake, New Zealand got some earthquake, Central Turkey, Germany. So these all countries basically have got. But there is no, if anyway, I will take one example just a minute. Currently basically just now, Germany basically got some earthquake, or basically the New Zealand got one earthquake. So from which chain basically this earthquake basically came, that data basically the earthquake department might be having. No, basically I don't think basically they might be having that data. They might not be having the data. That is 100% sure. They might not be having the data. That is not possible basically. Why? Because system is not created na, basically. If you will create the system, then only basically you can get the data. System equal to generation of data, that also you can say basically. In definition side basically. Anybody says that basically, what is actually system basically? System basically you can say they are basically into the generation of data that are basically given as a name of data warehousing basically. And using of data basically, that comes to AI basically. That is the artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence means they know that basically which data are supposed to be used from data warehouse for which purpose. So that connects to data warehouse and AI concept. So each and every system basically which is created basically, that is connecting to our personal life only. How basically we live in our life, how basically we stay in our life basically, and that is controlled by whom? The people basically. One person is doing job in one software company, so that software company is handling that person basically for a particular time basically. After that basically comes to home, and that basically somebody else is, he is basically handling himself. But majority basically time basically is in company, so that slowly basically its controlling style becomes to as a company basically, and he basically in normal life also basically handles his work according to that company ideas only basically. Why? Because it converts to habit basically, and according to habit basically he creates himself. So you can just imagine basically the world has already created like this, and world basically has created, that is ongoing also, so there is no issue basically. Here basically we are just discussing the chaining system, that Gujarat got the earthquake, and after Gujarat earthquake basically got, before that basically it might be assume that basically it might be to Japan basically. And after Japan, basically it immediately connected to Gujarat through power supply or nuclear power company or energy company. Because in environment basically directly basically doesn't, it can't connect because chaining system are there na basically. And few country basically are very powerful that basically they are directly connected with the environment, and they are very dangerous countries because they can't wait for the power companies also, because their process are doing, their people basically are doing up to that level process. So here basically what we are talking, that is the earthquake chaining system. And lots of people say that this earthquake basically which is going to come basically, that is created long before basically, that on this date few experts are up to that level basically, they can tell basically of this time, sorry, this date, this particular time the earthquake will come, because there are many experts in the world basically. And if you want to stop this earthquake, you have to do this whole procedure, you have to do this whole procedure. So that can be any procedure basically, it can be connected to government, it can be connected to private, it can be connected to business, it can be connected to some job, it can be connected to some education, it can be connected to set of groups, it can be connected to set of caste, it can be connected to anything basically. So you can just imagine everything is already created. So in next video basically we are going to see little bit more about this topic, that is earthquake chaining system.